Welcome to the lecture on configuring the AMP software on Mac. So let's open the AMPs page. Click on downloads. Select the Mac OS and say download. We will download this software and then we will install the software. Okay, so download has been done. Let's click this. Okay, to install, drag and drop this application in the applications folder. So it will copy all the files and then you should be able to run the software. Okay, the installation has been done. So if you go to the AMPs folder in the application folder, you should be able to see this executable file. Just double click it and this will open up the AMPs. And if you see this error where it can't be opened, say OK. Go to your system preference, go to security and privacy. You can see it's asking you to verify the download. You can enter the password here, say unlock, and you can say open anyway. Okay, now you can open the software. Enter the password again. Okay, so AMPs is running here and you have no MySQL issue as we have seen in Windows. It's a good thing. So let's open our Safari and we'll create a new window and we'll try to access the AMPs here. Localhost /amps. Okay, so it's perfectly running. Not much changes that's required. The good thing about AMPs is when you have installed this in the Windows and in the Mac, you see the look and feel, everything is the same. You don't have to worry about Mac based configuration and Windows based configuration. That's the beauty of the AMPs. So if you see the icons and if you see the actions that we are doing it here, everything remains the same, right? This is what we have done, same thing in the Windows, the same thing you're going to do on the Mac as well. And whatever configuration we will do here is based via this web page. So this web page will be similar if you access via the Windows or via the Mac. If you're using Mac, go ahead and install Maps on your machine and then you should be able to access this page, localhost /amps. Well, that's it about installing apps on the Mac. And if you like to know where you can drop your files, the PHP files, you can go to Finder, go to Applications, open the AMPs folder, and there's a folder www. The same folder that we have installed in D: in Windows. And the look and feel, everything remains the same. There are no changes. Whatever changes we are doing in Windows, you can come back to Applications folder, go to the AMPs folder, and you should be able to see all the same folders that we have seen in Windows as well. You should be able to see MySQL, you should be able to see PHP, Apache, and PHP MyAdmin, and obviously you will have a www folder wherein you will go and create a folders here. And once you start creating folders in that folder, you will be placing all your PHP files. Okay, so follow along the same steps what you are seeing here in the AMPs, and then you can pretty much able to do same thing on the Windows and on the Mac as well. Let's look at the next section.